अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज के इस वीडियो में हम एफएससी पार्ट 1 के मैथमेटिक्स के चैप्टर नंबर 1 के एमसीक्यूज़ करेंगे। इस वीडियो में शामिल तमाम एमसीक्यूज़ बोर्ड्स के पेपर्स में बार बार आते हैं और आपको भी आ सकते हैं, इसलिए इनको अच्छी तरह याद कर लें। अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें ताकि नई वीडियोज़ आपको फौरी मिल सकें। बहुत शुक्रिया। MCQ number 1. If n is a prime number, then square root of n is an irrational number, a rational number, a prime number, none of these. Correct option is A. An irrational number. MCQ number 2. The number square root of 3 is a natural number, a rational number, an irrational number, an integer. Correct option is C. An irrational number. MCQ 3. Every recurring decimal represents a or an number. Rational number, irrational number, even number, odd number. Correct option is A. Rational number. MCQ 4. 22/7 is called an irrational number, an integer, a rational number, none of these. Correct option is C. 22/7 is called a rational number. MCQ 5. Square root of -1 belongs to set of real numbers, complex numbers, prime numbers, even numbers. Correct option is B. Complex numbers. MCQ 6. A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC is called multiplicative property, associative property, trichotomy property, distributivity, or multiplicative over subtraction. Correct option is D. Distributivity of multiplicative over subtraction. MCQ 7. Pi is integer, natural number, rational number, irrational number. Correct option is D. Pi is irrational number. This MCQ is very important. MCQ number 8. The number 1 is a prime number, irrational, even number, odd number. Correct option is D. Odd number. MCQ 9. Additive inverse of 2 is 0, 1, -2, 1/2. Correct option is C. Additive inverse of 2 is -2. Question number 10. Minus iota power 19 is equal to minus iota 1 minus 1. Correct option is B. Minus iota power 19 is equal to iota. MCQ 11. Multiplicative inverse of minus iota is minus iota 1 minus 1. Correct option is B. Multiplicative inverse of minus iota is iota. MCQ 12. The set 0 and 1 is closed under addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. Correct option is B. Multiplication. MCQ 13. Every rational number is also irrational number, prime number, whole number, real number. Correct option is D. Every rational number is also real number. MCQ 14. Trichotomy is property of inequality, equality, division, subtraction. Correct option is A. Inequality. MCQ 15. Number 1 over pi is rational, irrational, prime, whole. Correct option is B. Number 1 over pi is irrational number. MCQ 16. Square root 5 over 16 and square root 6 over 19 are rational numbers, irrational numbers, prime numbers, whole numbers. Correct option is B. Irrational numbers. MCQ 17. The multiplicative identity of real numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct option is B. The multiplicative identity of real numbers is 1. MCQ 18. The number square root of -1 is called real number, natural number, complex number, rational number. Correct option is C. Complex number. MCQ 19. The real part of a plus b iota whole का square is a square plus b square, a square minus b square, b square minus a square, 2ab. Correct option is B. A square minus b square. MCQ 20. Name the property used in the equation 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Closure property with respect to multiplication, commutative property with respect to multiplication, associative property with respect to multiplication, commutative property with respect to addition. Correct option is D. Commutative property with respect to addition.